So just printed a full skull and 3 bits like that. Now I'm printing the top part of the skull. I had to change colour, so this is in my new Copy Maker 400, huge printer. Change to black. And I'm also trying to rebuild these arms. Both outer shoulder joints broke, so in bits. And here I'm printing on the Delta Mini a new cog because it's sheared off in one. I think it glued by mistake on the previous owner. I really rate this printer. It prints about it's about 2% smaller than it should. But that means that cogs work perfect. So this is really good. So this is replacing, there was another cog around here I broke. But that's one arm in the shield biceps. That's one of the cogs inside. That's one of that's sheared off on another one of these. This one here. So I've got to kind of rebuild it. Except that the rest of the robot is coming around quite well. The bit I've got to work out now is these pedometers or variable resistors. There's one that goes here, but the bolt's too long, so that makes this joint here come in and out. Yeah, so that's the last one of that. The waist now works, so it goes side to side, but it still, again, the pedometers seem to be, or variable resistors seem to be a bit iffy. So I've had to basically take this nearly fully apart to get it all working. Still not as nice as I want, but it's getting there. The head all works now and looks up. Got a neck printed. These are a newer version, but these are on there. This thing's a bit retired at the moment, but I'll get that back fired up soon to print some more bits.